Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about the various types of research and activities that we offer. Firstly, we specialize in policy research. We conduct in-depth analysis and provide insights into various policies and their impact. Next, we have expertise in startup research. We help startups understand market trends, competition, and potential opportunities for growth. We also offer consumer research services. Our team conducts surveys and gathers data to understand consumer behavior and preferences. Usability research is another area we excel in. We evaluate the usability of products and services to ensure a seamless user experience. Media research is another key focus area for us. We analyze media consumption patterns and provide valuable insights to media companies. Urban research is another field we specialize in. We study urban development, infrastructure, and the impact on communities. Education research is also one of our strengths. We conduct studies to improve educational systems and enhance learning outcomes. Financial research is another area where we provide expertise. We analyze financial markets, trends, and investment opportunities. Industrial research is another key service we offer. We help businesses understand industry trends and make informed decisions. Environmental research is another important area of our work. We study the impact of human activities on the environment and propose sustainable solutions. Marketing research is another field where we excel. We help businesses understand their target audience and develop effective marketing strategies. Ethnographic research is another area of our expertise. We study different cultures and societies to gain a deeper understanding of human behavior. FMCG research is another key focus area for us. We analyze the fast-moving consumer goods market and provide valuable insights to companies. Advertising research is another field where we provide expertise. We evaluate the effectiveness of advertising campaigns and provide recommendations for improvement. Viewership research is another important area of our work. We analyze audience preferences and behavior to help media companies optimize their content. Rural research is another field where we excel. We study rural development, agriculture, and the impact on rural communities. Automobile research is another area of our expertise. We analyze the automotive industry and provide insights into market trends and consumer preferences. Economic research is another key service we offer. We analyze economic indicators and provide insights into market trends and forecasts. Employment research is another important area of our work. We study employment trends and provide insights to businesses and policymakers. Travel research is another field where we provide expertise. We analyze travel patterns and preferences to help businesses in the tourism industry. Social research is another area of our expertise. We study social issues and provide insights to organizations working in the social sector. Political research is another key focus area for us. We analyze political trends and provide insights to political parties and policymakers. Retail research is another field where we excel. We analyze retail markets and provide insights to businesses to improve their operations. Healthcare research is another area of our expertise. We study healthcare systems and provide insights to improve patient care and outcomes. Networking research is another important area of our work. We study network systems and provide insights to improve connectivity and performance. Agricultural research is another field where we provide expertise. We study agricultural practices and provide insights to improve productivity and sustainability. Transport research is another key service we offer. We analyze transportation systems and provide insights to improve efficiency and reduce congestion. Business research is another important area of our work. We study business trends and provide insights to help businesses make informed decisions. Lifestyle research is another field where we excel. We study lifestyle trends and provide insights to businesses in the lifestyle industry. Cultural research is another area of our expertise. We study different cultures and provide insights to promote cultural understanding and appreciation. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our research and activities, please feel free to reach out to us.